Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric. Welcome to my garage. We decided to do something a little bit different. We've been doing videos the last 4 years or so from the shop. We got a perfect environment in there, but we kind of felt that it didn't necessarily translate directly into what you might be dealing with at your place. So Wes and I got together, we started talking about doing something here at the house, from washing cars to maintenance type stuff in an environment similar to what you would have. As you can see in my garage here, I don't have a whole lot of stuff. It's not set up for detailing. Matter of fact, I built this house 5 years ago. Last night was the very first time I washed a car here at the house. Wes made me come home and get this washed up. It was like 98 degrees outside last night. Speaking of, right now inside the garage, it is extremely hot. But once again, that's the kind of environment that you're going to be working in yourself. So we thought it would be a much better idea to bring some of these videos right here out of my garage, and we'll go over the kind of things that you need to be doing on your car to keep it looking best. So hopefully you enjoy the new series that we've got coming out. Speaking of, we're gonna link you to the very first video here of our new home-based studio of detailing videos. So enjoy, and as always, we appreciate you hanging out here on the Esoteric channel.